Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up WhatsApp notifications so you never miss an important message or call. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and tap the three dots menu in the top right if you're on Android, or the Settings tab at the bottom if you're on iPhone. From there, go into Notifications. Here you'll see all the options for customizing your alerts. You can enable or disable message notifications and group notifications separately. If you want to hear a sound when a new message arrives, make sure notification tone is turned on. You can even choose a custom tone that's different from your default phone sound. Scroll down further. You'll find settings for vibration, pop-up notifications, and light alerts. On iPhone, you'll also see options for in-app notifications, where you can choose if alerts should appear as banners or pop-ups while you're using the app. WhatsApp also lets you set custom notifications for specific chats. To do this, just open any chat, tap the contact or group name at the top, then choose Custom Notifications. From here, you can give that person or group a unique sound, vibration, or notification style. And don't forget, if you're not receiving notifications at all, check your phone's system settings under Apps greater than WhatsApp, greater than Notifications, and make sure permissions are enabled. That's it. You now know how to set up and customize WhatsApp notifications so they work exactly the way you like. For more tips and tutorials just like this one, stay tuned.